One of the benefits of working with Alair Homes and working with Zack is Zack is going to be able to give you feedback as you're sitting here in the showroom or very shortly thereafter exactly what things are costing from one line to another. A lot of his other builders, he'll admit to you, they don't have a transparent way to show markup. They hide their markup, so it's a little more difficult, a little higher math to put that together. Is that correct?
That's correct, yeah. And working with Alair, the transparency is great because I don't have to keep track of what everyone's allowed to see. So you see everything. And then that way we can also explain if there's any price increases coming or anything changing. And it also makes it really easy because at the level of cabinetry we're working with, the different finishes can make the price vary a little bit depending on what you're selecting. So that conversation is much easier when I can actually show you the price change instead of giving you a vague answer.
And more importantly now, more than ever in COVID, where it used to be, as you said, price change every couple of years.
Right.
Now price changes almost every few months.
Every few months. So it's in the past we would get price increases from the factories about once every 2 years, and now it all has to do with market conditions. And I think what we're seeing is probably every 4 to 6 months, at least one of our cabinet factories is adjusting their pricing. And that's something that we need to be aware of working through and you need to be updated on.
And speaking of pricing, but also lead times all across the market, that's all you hear about. Lead times in the cabinet business is no different. We used to get most of your cabinets in about 4 weeks, right? 4 to 6 weeks, and now it's...
Correct. So it used to be 4 to 6 weeks, and now the hot button catchphrase is supply chain. So the supply chain is affected across all industries. Right now, we're looking at our fastest lead time is going to be 8 to 9 weeks. What your customers are typically choosing is around 16 weeks. And that's the lead time today. Now that could change for any number of reasons. We could place an order down the road. We could find that the lead times could change. A delay for a COVID outbreak in the factory, a supply chain issue somewhere along the supply chain. And that's something that we have to let everybody know and adjust for. And that's something, be prepared for the unexpected because it can happen.
Great. Well, thank you very much.